Hello everyone, in my today's video I will tell you how you can fix the Instagram notification sound not working, or if you are having any problem related to the notification sound on the Instagram. So here first of all I will open my app Insta. After opening it, here at the bottom corner you will see a profile picture icon. When you open it, this type of screen will be shown. So here at the top corner you will see three horizontal lines. When you open this, here you have the first option of settings. When you go into the settings, now you have a bell type icon and notifications option. When you open it, and here you will see the option of following and followers. When you open this, here you have to turn all your notifications on. New followers off or on, you will turn it on. Accept follow request, you will turn it on. So similarly you will turn all your notifications here. So now when you come back, you have the second option of messages and call. When you open it, again similarly you have to turn on your, if you will turn off, no, you have to turn on. So this way you will turn on your all the notifications here. So one way is this, that you can start receiving the notifications. After this, when you come back from your Instagram and open your device settings, so after opening the device settings, when you come down, and you will find the option of apps. Here you can see it. When you open it, now this will show you all the devices, all the apps installed in your device. When you scroll down, and you will find Instagram here. After opening it, here the first option is notifications. When you click on this, now here you also have to allow all the notifications, just like the way as I have done. So here you will turn on all the notifications in this way. So after doing this, you will start receiving all the notification, and you will hear the sound of your Insta notifications. So this is the way you can enable it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.